Alright, got a new C8 in. Eric's doing headers without cats. The first one we're doing...
And an air intake.
Oh, okay, and an air intake. And also, obviously it'll be a different sound. All the ones we've done, we've put the high flow cats in, or the stock cats. So, it's the first one with no cats. So it should be, it's already kind of loud as it is.
Yeah, it's got some Fab Speed muffler on it.
Yeah, it's got Fab Speed axle back, or whatever you want to call it. So give you a walk around.
No axle back on these.
Oh. Yeah, I guess you're right. Go straight through the cats. So, got white on black.
This thing actually looks good for being a Sting, right?
Yeah, this is the best. I think this one looks the best so far. It's got the tinted tails, the spoiler, the black exhaust.
Tinted everything.
Yeah, front windshield's tinted. He's got all the side skirts and front splitter on it. So he's gonna break into this, hoping he can obviously not have to pull the whole frame down like he normally does for like a cam. Or yeah, take the bumper off. Try to keep the bumper on and do everything inside. So I'll give you guys a look before we get started. So there's his objective. Stock airbox. Before. Show the after. Remove this cover. And he's just getting his sensor from it removed now. And that'll be first step.
Right. Somebody's already got these all extended and shit.
Alright, while Eric's working on this, Matt's finishing up. No, I don't think he's really close to finishing, but he'll be done probably today. But he's doing a Magnuson fit-chin with 2650, and they got a clutch and a fuel system. So he's just working on that, finishing that up. Alright, we're coming out with the stock box now. It's got everything unbolted, all the clips, getting those disconnected. So this will be a new intake that we haven't done before. She's out.
There you have it. Just lay this off to the side for now, and I know I'm gonna need to steal sensors and parts off of it and shit. So
Cool.
I is bugging, dude. What the fuck?
going to Bug Town. What did you say, Twitch Town?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's never good. Somebody didn't have that too tight.
I couldn't get on her good enough.
Yeah, just like me. Awesome if I could get down here and just run it off with this, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Alive.
She came. That's
Yeah, she came right off. All right, now we'll work on getting this thing in the air and.
Oh, Keith Webb said he's got a care package. Had to do it for me and you.
Oh, really? I haven't heard that name in a while.
Yeah, last time it was.
There it is. You can see it a little bit. So, gonna get that removed.
I'm gonna try going straight at her.
With the long
Probably gonna
extension.
need a swivel joint.
What the fuck is going on?
She's probably gonna lock up like they all did, but so it feels like the whole stud's coming now.
It's not to break that socket, we don't have fucking snap on me.
Oh, I'm not gonna break the socket.
Alright, he got this manifold fully disconnected. He's gonna try to get it out
I don't think she's gonna come out
in one piece. It doesn't look like it.
No way. Not a chance. I'm gonna have to definitely disconnect it.
What's this thing getting?
Headers in there and take.
But it's getting catless ones for the first time.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. All the others either had stock cats or high flow cats. So
Go backwards.
I don't think there's enough room unless you can take this bar.
It's not gonna happen.
not even,
Curious to see how this thing's gonna sound.
yeah. And it's already got a regular exhaust, so it'll have everything.
What exhaust?
Fab
is on
speed.
it? Oh god, it's gonna be loud then.
It's real
Fab
bassy.
speed straight, right? There's no mufflers on it.
No.
Yeah.
Just little fucking resonator
Yeah,
bullshit.
Yeah, not a full muffler like that one we did. AWE. Alright, so he wasn't able to slip it out in one piece, so she's just going to disconnect the manifold from the
I
cat.
might be able to, but there's no reason in fighting it.
No point, yeah.
There's no reason
When you
in
can take
fighting
out
it.
3 bolts.
Literally. And now I should be able to just pull this right out.
Boom.
Yeah, I went on that Trader show. It's fucking.
Alright, old cat's out as well.
There's 4 seasons, different seasons of it. Unless it melted by the time I got up.
Yeah, nah. I don't know if you saw my Snapchat. My truck had like a little coating on it.
Nah, I didn't see it.
Fucking Amazon left a fucking package on the windshield of my truck. Like,
They
of
don't,
all places, like,
not the front
not in
porch.
front of my garage or like, nah, just on my windshield of my fucking truck.
Nah, can't say I've ever seen that.
Like, what the fuck, dude?
Oh my god!
What, it's heavy?
Nah, I just wanted to get nothing over.
Alright, got
All
that
that.
one. What are you changing out the spark plugs?
Yeah.
You do that on every exhaust install or the customer asks?
Nah, we just typically do it.
Just do it. Inside started. So just got them laying down in there, so just gonna get a couple bolts in them. Get them started and then see what they look like when they're all in place. Of course we're going with Cooks on this. So it looks like these are his 2 connection pipes here. Dim it down some. So just straight through. See one.
Okay, here's what we're gonna have to do here. We're gonna have to bolt this up first. This
Fold the
side.
bottom first.
Yeah, that's right, Tomcat.
Yeah, alrighty.
Get some anti-scissor up on there.
Yes, sir.
I might have to get in here, Hunter.
In the trunk?
Yeah. I don't
Jeez.
know how the fuck I'm gonna do it.
You might have to have me get in there. And you hold the camera.
I got her, Jim Cat.
That's one of my specialties.
Huh. Wonder if I can get to that underneath.
Probably. Move this light.
Oh, we certainly can.
We're
You know,
doing
Matt?
it. Matt went for bathroom break.
Huh?
Matt went for bathroom break. There he is. Old H2O. You getting her?
Yeah, I need to run the other side in now and get that tight.
Alright, Eric's getting the last one bolted up now. Last couple connections, and then these will be done. He'll slip his O2s in, and then we'll move on to the air intake. It's what? It's not 3 yet.
Oh, will you stop it? All day long.
Alright, we're getting the intake unboxed. Show you guys a little clip of it outside the car before we get it installed. It's got like a carbon fiber finish. Eric's starting to get the brackets mounted now. So he's got one bracket here, and then one bracket here.
No, I have not looked at how this thing goes.
You don't know how it goes in yet?
No.
Okay.
Hey, bud, taking it step by step.
I feel you.
You feel me?
Not getting ahead of yourself.
You feel me, dog?
Alright, it's got a stripping all installed on each side, and now he's getting the
Look at that.
heat wrap, heat
That
shield
is
on.
serious.
Yes, it is. It's already pre-cut, so he just needs to peel and stick. Boom.
I'm actually going to start by going around this because I think that would be a better option.
I do too.
To work that corner. And we'll work it around like so. Really get her on here like this. We're going to have to come up. We're going to have to get her down in this groove first.
Okay.
Really work her in there, you know?
Yep.
Then we can softly, gently go down with this. And ease her on.
Beautiful.
Just like so.
Came out nice. Now step 2.
Step 2 involves this, where you would go in with this.
There it is.
Just absolutely gorgeous.
Serves a purpose.
You think?
Yeah. I don't think it looks half bad.
Appreciate your input.
Good. Going gloves all day, huh?
Yeah.
Hands are gonna stink.
Why?
I don't know, all that sweat build up in them.
Yeah, then I'll wash them like a normal human and they'll be fine. We're gonna get in there and we're gonna install this and we're gonna get in there and we're gonna hook up antenna F, ladies and gentlemen.
Definitely got to sit back
get
like
to this
that.
fucking antenna.
Alright, first piece is in. Just gonna get it bolted up. We'll get piece number 2 in.
There it is.
Obviously over here on the right.
Wonder why it had me get rid of this shit. That's fucking weird.
Yeah, that's weird. You know what else is weird?
You?
I was gonna say it and you had to ruin it. I was gonna say me. Yeah, what sensor is that?
The Mass Diggity. You never heard of it?
Yeah.
Gotta somehow, some way angle this in here. Like so.
So that's why you don't bolt it together first.
That is correct. Now we gotta try to fight this in here.
Alright, Eric got this all tight, secure. He's going on with the box.
I'm gonna need you to hold that fucking pipe in there because there's no way in hell I'm gonna be able to get this.
So what do I need to hold the...
Now I'll get it.
Are you sure?
Don't worry about Hunter. Or Danny.
Got her done right at 5 on the nose.
Can you believe it?
Yeah, it looks good. So you got it all good back there? You just got to tighten everything, or you just got to plug? You're plugging in clips.
Plug in the MAF, and then I gotta plug in some stuff. And we're good.
Then what happened with the ECU? It wasn't able to be unlocked, so we got to send it off.
Yep.
Yeah.
God, that thing is wild.
Yeah, it is. It's definitely the most different looking one. I mean, they all look different. They're all weird in their own way. Where are you going tonight?
My house.
You going straight home? What's your routine?
Go home.
Shower or no shower? You do right away?
Fuck yeah. Sweating and fucking dirt all day, isn't me?
Yeah.
The first thing I do when I get home.
You a long shower guy or short?
I clean myself and then I get out.
He's
What
okay.
else is there to do in there unless you're
Well,
playing with yourself?
there's a lot of people that are in there for 30, 40 minutes.
No, I mean, then you're wasting water and you're a fucking asshole.
Yeah.
When you're like you and you don't have to pay for that stuff.
No, I have a water bill, thank you. You don't have to pay for water?
First time in your life?
First time in my life. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
You gotta pay for a fucking water bill. That's why I'm not fucking taking 40-minute showers.
Yeah, I feel that. There it is. Final touches.
I mean, this thing is wild. There it is.
Yeah, heat shields on.
K&N beauty.
Headers are on. Catless pipes. What do you call them? Mid pipes.
Yeah.
And the K&N. So we'll see what kind of power this puts down from the baseline. Baseline was 4 something. I'm not sure. 460, 480. Obviously, it'll be in the beginning of the video. So we'll see what power.
I thought it was 443, but I could be wrong.
Oh, you're right. I think it was 440. So we'll see what intake headers with no cats picks up versus. I think we've done intake headers with cats the last time. So we'll see if there's any differences. We'll catch you guys. He's gonna put all this cover back in, and that'll be it. And then get a couple clips on the dyno. So. Should be good.
2023 C8. Thing came in, already had exhaust and stuff on it. We did an air intake and headers, and we tuned it. Baseline 443, 425, ended up with 458 and 446. So 15 horsepower and about 20 foot-pounds of torque. A couple other reasons why you tune these things though. In manual mode, they have like a hard limiter set at 6,600. Once you tune it, it gets rid of that, so you can shift them at 7,000 or whatever you want to shift these things at, 6,900. Other than that, things should drive a lot better.